Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, OPPO A1 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin on this device. To do it, you need to open the Photos app and open Albums, and in Albums choose Recently Deleted. And here, choose the photos you want to recover. Of course, after deleting, you have only 30 days to recover the photo you have removed. And after this time, your photos and videos will be permanently removed from the device. And click Restore, and cool, go back to the gallery, to the photos, and as you can see, I have restored the photo. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!